Hello, VIPKid teachers and friends of the Stars to Apple app. My name is Cindy Bennett and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. This video is all about how to use the Stars to Apple app on your computer. This app can also be used on another computer using ManyCam, but this video is going to be about MacBook and how to hook it up to your iPad. This video is for Mac and CamTwist users. ManyCam can also be used, but this is not about ManyCam. What you will need is a MacBook computer, and you will also need an iPad. You could use a mini iPad for this as well. You will need a USB cable that can connect your iPad to your MacBook computer by hardwire. You will need to go to camtwiststudio.com and you can download a free app of the CamTwist Studio to use on your MacBook computer. Then you will need to go to the Apple App Store and download the Stars to Apple's app for anyone can use this. It doesn't have to be just for VIPKid teachers. And it is $9.99 for the app, and there's a lot you can do with it. Once you join the Facebook group for Stars to Apple users, you will then need to download the Google Sheets app, and you will use that in conjunction with your Stars to Apples. This is the app that you find on the Apple App Store. Sorry, there are so many app and apples, and sometimes I call it apples to apples, but it's Stars to Apples app. In VIPKid, we give the kids stars and the teachers like to get apples, so it's kind of an appropriate name. So this is what it looks like, and you will download it. Now when you download this app and then you open it up, you will see that there are a few rewards. I was expecting a few more rewards. Like, I didn't think it was very many rewards to pay $9.99 for. But then once I joined the Facebook group, I realized there are numberless rewards that you can get and that teachers are sharing with each other. And on that Facebook group, you will find out how to connect your iPad to your MacBook computer. You will also see a video on there that will show you how to use all of the things together. You will load CamTwist, and then you will connect your iPad, and then it all works together to give you rewards right on the window for your class for VIPKid. It's really awesome. There are different types of rewards. There are Find a Star rewards, there are matching rewards, there are Make a Scene rewards. There are even props on there, and you can also load your own props. And I will be putting more videos up on different things that you can do with the Stars to Apple app besides just doing rewards. I have been using it just a short time, and I have really enjoyed using it. That's why I want to share it with all my friends. And thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy this video. I am going to put some demonstrations of me in the classroom at the end of this video. This here is my setup. I have a MacBook Pro, and it's a 13-inch screen, so everything kind of fits on there just right. Having the iPad separate makes everything doable, and the touch screen is just awesome. You'll see that in the demonstrations. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I also wanted to share with you that I will be putting more videos of this type on my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Thank you. Have a great day.
Ooh, choose a number.
I will choose 9.
Number 9. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, it's a soccer star. So you're going to find some stars and some, I don't know, somebody's playing soccer on there. So some soccer pictures. So I hope you like them. Very good. Excellent. Let's choose 2 numbers. Match. Let's match. Which numbers? Pick 2 numbers, April.
9.
Pig. Where's the other pig? You got it! Yay! You got a match! High five! You got a match! Wow! 2 pigs! Good job! All right, let's go!
Notice the awesome whiteboard. You can switch from the reward to the whiteboard right in the little square. It's awesome.
2.
It's a horse!
7.
What is it? It's a horse and you get a match! You matched them all! Good job! High five! And you win! You win! See you next time!
Goodbye.
It's time to say goodbye! It's time to say goodbye! I'll see you next time!
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Does she sound happy? I think she's happy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.